Oh, okay.
I don't know what to name him.
You don't?
No.
So,
He likes me.
what are you thinking?
I don't know. Oh my god.
How about
What?
Squishy?
He's not jellyfish, stupid.
Yes, stupid. They always say that the youngest are the dumbest.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Okay.
What does this frog look like? Oh, frog. Nummy.
Yeah, see, I would be running the camera, but I'm the only one who can bear to touch him.
Yeah.
I could. Watch. Okay, leave it there.
Wanna hold it? No!
Okay, leave it there. I'll touch it.
Okay, we need a name for this frog. We'll add more to this video, so it's not gonna be just a frog.
What should we name it?
This is our first video. Yeah, Ditzy One. Show off the frog. Here you go.
Day and night.
Frog.
Guys, is it a boy or girl? Look
Oh,
at
yeah.
Look at its private part.
Okay, just give both
Yeah, boy and girl names.
name. He's
Bisexual?
General.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Oh, bisexual. That would be. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay. Yeah,
What's bigenual?
It means you're a guy and a girl, like a transsexual or something.
Hermaphrodite.
So it's like an it?
A he, she.
Oh my gosh, She-Man. Mangina.
A mangina?
A pagina.
A pagina. No, a pagina. Pagina.
Right. Pagina.
Pagina.
A
Pagina.
Oh my god, that'd be like this. It'd be like pagina.
Okay. You won't demonstrate then. Okay.
I think he's gonna dry out soon.
Oh, does he have to be wet?
Probably.
Here, I'll spit on him.
What's that, Jesse?
It jumped! Oh my god. You're so funny. It, person, thing.
Give it to them.
Frog. Okay. So we need a poll thing. And we will have
Yeah.
you guys name him. What else should we put in this video?
How about
Oh my
Mia?
gosh.
Those are two twins that live in our town. They have like ADHD or something. We don't really know what's wrong, but zoom in, zoom in.
I heard that they were drunk babies.
Here, I'll come on the one other road.
She's approaching them.
It's going so fast.
Faster! Oh my god.
Push us.
You know what? I think we should stop the video and she'll
Oh, I'm
continue.
getting sick.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, goodbye, but she won't know it. Bye.